Yo, what's going on, everybody? Dirty screw. What's going on? I know I vlog usually cars, but I think I'm gonna expand more on getting more different content. So what I did today is just a personal hobby of mine, which is pretty much sure like everybody else is gaming. And today was my first try at I bought a PC. So I bought all the major components to build my PC, and that's basically what I'm gonna be doing today. Dirt, if you're watching this video, I'm watching your stream right now. So yeah, right now I have my homie here, my brother. They're the real geniuses behind me building all this stuff. I am totally new, console player right here, but we're gonna be building everything today. Ew.
Where was it?
I don't know, in one of my boxes.
Got a bunch of caca all over it.
Or just dead skin.
These are my used keyboard, or not keyboard, fucking mouse and mouse pad that my brothers gave me. It's experienced a bunch of L's. It'll start experiencing some W's as soon as I start playing on my PC. Dirt, we're showing you some love. I swear to God, you better be watching my YouTube videos. I want you to like this. I want you to fucking comment on this, because you kind of helped me push to build a PC too.
Oh, he plays on that room next to theirs.
We couldn't get his bed up to
Yeah,
the...
shit weighs like 2,000 pounds, bro.
Hey, this shit looks nice, huh? The blue?
Yeah, so I told you, it looks really nice.
Sick. So I actually went with the same case that my brother got. For some reason, they had the blue and orange only, which I'm glad I got the blue. This one's sick.
Really good. Yeah.
Like, imagine, I mean, for you, if you had like the Nightwing symbol, that looks sick as fuck, huh?
Yeah.
So these geniuses are gonna be the ones building it, not me. But they're gonna show me, so I know what to do. This is honestly just like a car.
This goes right here.
This is our shell for the car. Where's our turbo at?
Probably the CPU.
What is that?
This goes on your
wrist,
left
you know?
hand, right?
I know. I think it just goes on your hand.
Fuck, are we operating or what?
Well, it's because it gets rid of all the static.
You want to peel this?
Yeah, I'll do the pleasure of peeling it. How does this take away my fucking electricity?
I don't know.
What if I did Chidori right now? Would it stop it? So open this? You could fry this too? Like if I had an electric shock and I touched
Yes.
it.
That's like the most sensitive part.
Try not to touch the actual motherboard.
Hold it from the edge.
Yeah. That goes with anything.
I just want
I'll open that up. I don't know how to do Ryzen, but
It's the fan. This is the CPU right here.
Bro, this is for fucking... What do you call
it
it?
has thermal take, right?
Yeah,
Or not
it should
thermal
have
take.
thermal paste on it.
This is like the thing from Skynet, you know, little chip.
That's what it is.
I'm gonna insert a clip right now.
So
This
you
is
lift
metal
it.
thing.
Yes.
That goes up.
Okay. Did you find the
It
corner?
doesn't matter
Yeah,
which side it's on, huh?
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Look
Yeah,
for the...
find the-
Oh yeah, the
Find the
little
arrows.
triangle, huh?
I think it's right here. That one.
This one?
Yeah, no, find it on the CPU.
Okay.
You should just slide right in. You don't even need to push it.
There we go.
Just give it a little tap.
Just lock it.
The fuck?
No, it
Yeah.
takes a little
I
bit
feel
of
like
pressure.
I feel like I'm gonna break it, that's
It
why.
rips the pins.
Wait, this way, huh?
This should line up with this square
yeah.
back here.
Move it a little bit down. That way. There you go.
There we go. Yes. Dodge Viper. Stupid.
All right. With these, you gotta
Open them up, yeah.
open them. And then just make sure. No.
Other way. Imagine you push hard and just
Bitch,
crack
bitch,
all the
bitch.
pins.
Push it evenly.
There it goes.
Oh. Here.
You have to put pressure, dude.
This just seems like it's gonna crack. I'm gonna get my other battery just in case. Which way was it?
This way, right?
Yeah, looks like it fits.
Hold up. Get this one to the top. Get that one to up here.
The one you gave me back?
Yeah. No, this one says
Yeah.
It's not that one, it's this one. What is this? Oh, look.
Oh, yeah. That's why. No. Push it into the side.
No, I think it's...
You screw it on to that.
Yeah, look. No, look. It has these little pins right here.
Just push it into the side. No. Slide it through, you idiot.
It goes like that.
No, slide it through. Break it.
What?
Oh, you need to slide it through.
No, how I...
Yeah, you're gonna have to tell me your stream schedule, so that way we're not streaming on the same time, and then we won't be lagging.
How does this go? What plugs into the hard drive? This?
Let's see.
Dump this on my whole PC.
You're a fucking idiot. It's your own money. Do you spend 1,000? That's probably why I spent way less than you. It's because I also had my own
Parts already.
yeah, I had my own power supply and I already had my own graphics card. So I probably would have spent like $900, $800.
No, you might want to spend less. The graphics card was the most expensive thing.
Yeah.
Didn't you buy a graphic? Oh, you bought the graphics.
I bought it before.
huh?
Yeah. Thank God that shit didn't fry.
You could have, huh?
Yeah. The only thing that fried was my CPU, hard drive, and basically.
You clocked it, you said?
No, you unplugged it.
And I did it?
Yeah, and it fried everything. Come here, because I had the extension cord. Because the power went out on like half our house. And then you unplugged the extension cord to plug in your laptop to charge, and it killed my entire computer. Yeah, and you didn't pay for anything, bitch.
Loser. You had no proof that it was my phone.
Yes, you were there in my room, and you unplugged it to plug in your laptop.
Where's the SSD?
Yeah, people slack on SanDisk, bro. I don't know why.
SanDisk is good.
Yeah, that's why.
SanDisk in that thing?
I think it's because they don't look nice.
They don't look
so
nice,
people
man.
don't buy them.
SanDisk. Every time I buy a memory card, it's always SanDisk.
Yeah.
They look like, I don't know, just like the design on them. They look old, like fucking floppy disks.
This far.
I didn't know that because I never installed an SSD.
Let's just use some tape.
I think they'll probably fucking melt.
Give me.
Power
Backpack?
cord. Oh, backpack.
There's a cable on the power cable.
fucking Gunner Optics. How are you?
Cheap ass gaming glasses because my eyes hurt after gaming for a while.
Put them on.
It's fucking Gunner Optics, bro.
Variable zoom or what?
We used to call some girl in our high school variable zoom because her fucking glasses were so thick. I should have showed the interior before you put that thing on.
Need more light. Get your disgusting feet out of my face! Disgusting ass.
Is that carbon fiber?
The carbon fiber essay?
How thin this is?
Holy shit! Let me see.
Okay, this one's nice.
Get it on cam.
You like carbon fiber.
Small as your dick, bro.
Weight reduction.
Now get rid of that shitty TV.
It's not a shitty TV, it's Vizio.
Look at this. This is beautiful. This blue is really nice.
I know.
We do. His LEDs on the inside are red, though.
It's gonna be a Spider-Man thing.
Just throw a big ass Spider-Man right here. I'm recording. Stop touching me.
But where's your phone?
Stop touching me.
I'm literally.
This is recorded.
I'm literally
Stop
not
touching me.
Please.
Fucking psychopath. Stop touching me. Ow! Abuse. Abuse. It's caught on tape.
I don't care.
It's caught on tape. You're exposed.
Oh shit, that hurt.
That one hurt. This, yeah, exposed. This is where you write like big red text. Exposed. Use that as a thumbnail.
Poser. That was early. Yeah, Tom.
That did hurt, yeah. This shit's probably gonna turn red.
You said I wasn't touching you, and I wasn't touching you.
What's it well? Yay!
What? Why'd you get...
Other way. Other way, other way.
What the fuck? Can I adjust it? Oh, there it goes. Yeah.
I think you gotta do that before you put it on.
Let's cut like that. Oh, look at that carbon fiber right there.
Yeah. Stupid ass.
Setup is now done. I know it's basic, but this is the best I could do with what I got. So I actually ended up going to the store and actually buying a monitor, because this is the TV that I was using. I think it's like, I don't even know how big this is, maybe like a 40-inch. And I was using my computer through that, but everything was so expanded that it just came out really bad. So I ended up buying one of these. It was around like $120. But yeah, everything is fully complete. I don't know if I'm gonna be using my iPad to view all the stream, like all the chat, or maybe using my laptop, but we'll figure it out later. If you guys do want to start watching me stream, I'm gonna leave everything in the comments, or I'll actually leave in this right now in the video where you could follow me on Twitch as well. That seat's got to go later on because that's very uncomfortable. Let's see what else. My camera's about to die, so I will leave a list of everything that I used to build this PC, so that way if you guys decide you want to build a PC, you can go that route. This PC cost me probably around $1,000. The monitor on top of that, as well as the webcam and keyboard, kind of added maybe $200–300 more. So if you guys already have that, because most households carry basic desktop computers, so you could even use the mouse keyboard. It's not recommended, but you can use it. The monitor you can use, from my understanding. But yeah, that's gonna sum up everything. If I do end up having time, I'll probably go down and I'll just video record everything that I bought. But for now on, guys, thanks for watching and peace out. Also, before this camera dies, like I said before, I want to really thank you, Michael. I want to thank my brother, and I want to thank you, Dirty Andrew, for helping me out. Michael and Dylan, you guys helped me build the whole entire PC, so without you guys, this PC would not have been built. Dirty Andrew, you gave me kind of like knowledge, and you kind of encouraged me to start streaming, and that's what I kind of did too. So thank you all very much, and I love you guys.